This is the Kohler GP1068030 fill valve. Now this fill valve works on a few different Kohler models. Just an example of a few, we've got the 3360, 3384, the 3386, and the 14230. So this fill valve will of course include the complete fill valve assembly, as well as the nut to secure the fill valve to the tank. And you've got that red gasket down there that creates that seal between the tank, the opening in the tank, and the fill valve. We'll go ahead and get a couple dimensions of this valve, starting just with a diameter here at the base, which all fill valves should measure the same here. And that's going to be right at about 3/4 of an inch. And then we'll get a total height, if I can get it. So I'll be a little short. First measurement we'll take from here to the bottom. So that's going to be right at about 12 inches, so right at about a foot there. And then if we can kind of estimate here, it's probably going to be about 13, 14, about 13 and a half, 14 inches to that blue cap. The opening here, that is where you're going to attach that replenish tube, which is that tube that enters into the flush valve, just refills the tank. And you've got the float here, which is fully adjustable. You can either thread that up or thread that down to raise and lower that float. And once again, this was the Kohler GP1068030 fill valve.